This is a design duel. Human versus AI. Schitt's Creek edition. Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be redoing David and Alexis's motel room from Schitt's Creek. It's a really exciting video because firstly, I'm a huge Schitt's Creek fan and I'm going to be doing a human versus AI challenge. In my previous midjourney video, I used midjourney more as a tool for inspiration for my design, but in this video, I'm going to be sort of going up against midjourney to see who comes up with a better design for this motel room. And I know midjourney is not going to come up with like a fully executed design, but it can still come up with a pretty good reference image. Midjourney has come a long way since my last video, which was only 5 months ago, and it's coming up with some really beautiful looking interiors. The interior it generated for me back then was very basic and it didn't make a lot of sense. Like there was this floating light thingy over here and the couch was made from wood. And overall, the image just looked pretty artistic and not very realistic. First of all, I'm going to be laying down some ground rules. I'm only going to generate the midjourney image after I finished my design, so I don't have a leg up because I've seen what it generated. I'm going to input as much detail as I can to give it the best sort of chance in creating a really good image. The best way to start any design is to find reference images of how you want the space to look and feel. I took inspiration from David's store, the Rose Apothecary in the show, and the real life Rose Apothecary, which is an actual store that they transformed for the show. The store in the show has this real lived-in feel, and I really wanted that to translate into the design of my hotel room. I really love the color scheme and feel of the real life Rose Apothecary store. It's got this deep sage green color with a lot of warm lighting, and that's what I'm going to try and incorporate into my design as well. I've also just got a whole bunch of other reference images of design details and colors and other elements I plan on using in the project. I kept the 2 single beds in the same position as it is in the current room with a set of drawers in between them. I decided to add a kitchenette where their current wardrobe and desk setup is, which is separated by a new full height nib wall. The kitchenette has just enough functionality to let you make a cup of coffee or to heat up some food or to wash some dishes, and there's also a little dining space right next to it. I placed the wardrobe on the wall opposite the beds with a built-in desk under the wall-mounted TV. The built-in desk serves 2 functions. It acts like a desk and it also looks like a TV unit, so it makes that wall functional as well as aesthetic. Just a little refresher, this is what the before looked like. And this is the after. I'm pretty happy with how the design turned out, but let's see how it compares to Midjourney's image. And this is the prompt that I put into Midjourney. Photograph of high-end 2 single bed motel room, modern, in Canada, realistic, well-designed, bright, photorealistic, hyper-detailed with an aspect ratio of 3:2. Honestly, it took a couple of tries to get it right. I played around with different prompts and I tried to put in as much detail as I could without giving it too much design direction, and these are the 2 best images that it generated. Okay designers, I think we may still have our jobs, for now. I could be wrong, but I think I won that challenge, mainly because this cord sort of just disappears out of nowhere, and so does this headboard, and I don't think the client would be very happy with those design details. Overall, I think the images still look a bit too artistic, kind of dreamlike and hazy, and still lack a lot of detail. But maybe I didn't input the correct prompts, or maybe I didn't give enough detail, leave me a comment down below on how you think I can improve the prompts next time. This was a really fun exercise, and I think I should do an AI challenge every few months just to kind of see how the programs are evolving. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope you found it entertaining. Please subscribe to my channel before you click off, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.